This little platform that you can attach to your boots is called spikes, and they use it in resurfacing pools. If you look on the very corner, you're going to see about a 2-inch spike that allows them to transverse the surface of the pool once they've laid down their Diamond Brite or their gemstone. And as they move backwards, what they do is they basically trawl out those 4 little holes that they make as they're walking. The resurfacing material is about a 1/2 inch thick, so they're basically walking over that resurfacing material that they put on the pool. They also have things that are called boards, which are just like the spikes, but they're larger, and you can kneel on them, and you can see he just picked it up, and you can see the 4 holes, and now he's smoothing it out with his trowel and just, working his way to his exit point. And that's how you use spikes and boards to resurface a pool. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.